In this lesson, we'll create the lead article. Let's do a Option drag and put this over here, and then do a Command T to transform it, make it a little bit bigger, and then press return. With both of those layers selected, let's go to the paragraph panel and then click on Left Align Text. And then with the Move tool still selected, let's drag this over here. When the text is on the left side, we want to use Left Align. When the text is on the right side, we want to use Right Align. Notice that there's some space right here on the left side where the D and the T are. That's because there's a space there that I did not remove when I created the text on this side. Select the layer that has this description, and with the Move tool, double-click on that text to select it. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the second line down where it says Description, and then press Delete. Navigate down to the next line and press Delete again. Click on the Move tool to implement that change. The lead article is bigger than the regular articles, but it's not as big as the title of the magazine. So now you've created hierarchy of type in a design. Now these are just placeholders for this text. Once we bring the image in, we might move the articles, make them smaller, and we might even change the font, and we might even change the size of them. So we still have more work to do with the type once we bring the image in. Do Command S to save.